So there are words on this package to help home cooks like me, who has just read pull tab. There actually is a tab that can be pulled to open up this bag of rice. What is it? How many pounds? 10 pounds. I am going to pour half of this rice into this container, which has a nice lid somewhere in the kitchen. The grape leaves will be cooked for 3 to 5 minutes in this saute pan. Dishes are done. Everything that needs to be done to measure the rice with the water is right here, handy. And encouraging me to start this project. Rice, grape leaves, picked from the backyard. Maybe I'll add bacon, maybe not, but we are so good to go on this rainy afternoon in my kitchen, where I am determined to stuff grape leaves from my backyard.